Hi, I'm Aileen Toynton and I'd like to show you my Innopet Buggy that I use as a double dog show trolley. So when I arrive at a dog show, everything's on the front seat. I've got my buggy in there, my show jacket, my big heavy bag and my two little dogs in the back. So when I get to a show, get to the car park, jacket goes up there, and my bag, which weighs more than the two dogs put together. Then I get my buggy out. Getting a mini wasn't the best idea when I was going to be campaigning dogs at a dog show, but there we go. Now, oh, it's that way. Right, so push the handle up and oh, where's the clip? There's the clip. There. So stretch it out, and then to click it into place, you just push that down. And then the same at the other side, you push the bracket down. Okay, now the wheels, I carry them, they're just stored inside. So that's the right wheel. So I'll pop that on. Now there's a clip on here, that's the on-off clip. So you just put the wheel on the bracket and then push that in, and that clicks it. And then similarly with the left wheel, there's the pin there, so you put it on the bracket and then push that pin in, that gets it on and off. So on the bracket, push the clip in, and that's it. Lovely. Front wheel, and this is so light, I cannot tell you. When I'm on my own at a dog show, I don't need anybody to help fetch and carry for me. I'm good to go. Right, at the moment, because it's summertime, she says, haha, I've got a cool mat in there for the two of them, and there are also three bungee straps to hold them, but they're very good. They tend to just lie in there anyway. Now the handle, you push those things in, and you can set it wherever you like, really. That's quite good. And put the brake on. It's a foot brake down here. Okay, right, so the next thing is get the dogs in. Come on, wee one. Here's Tara. She's the bad dog. In you go. Just pop her in there for a minute. And it's got mesh windows all the way around, so even on a hot day, you know, it's nice and cool for them. We'll get the other dog. Come on then, you come to the show as well. Come on. Toto likes to come to the dog show. He's very old, but he doesn't like to be left at home. In you go. That's it. There we are. Then I'll get the table for the top. This is just brilliant. Not only can I get the dog on that to groom her, oh, it also put all my stuff and carry it in. Now the brackets just clip on there, and this one here. That's it. So I've got my grooming table, and then on my big heavy show bag, a nice show jacket, and anything else that goes on. Drop that a little bit. That's fine. Now take my brake off, shut my door, and I'm good to go. And this is so light, I cannot tell you. Good to go.